Okay, so here's the dishwasher. I've got this white cord here, and then I've got this copper one here. The white tube goes around all up in here and then connects here to the disposal. The copper tube comes over and connects into the valve, which I have turned off. Here's a picture of the disposal. You can see where the white tube goes in, the copper tube goes over here, and then here's that other white one that I was talking about over here, and it comes in over here. Sorry, this is where it comes in, and here's where it connects. Here's where it connects in the bottom of the disposal. So I think that's the electricity because it's the wire one, but it's weird because it goes in the disposal. I could undo these screws here and take it out. The other connections were all pretty straightforward, how to dispose of those, but anyway, let me know what you think.